So I'm gonna take it, and don't get confused now. I'm gonna lay it on, and you'll see it's kind of covering the eye. But that's okay, because I'm gonna carve. I just want this placement here, and it'll go right on the little side of that nose wing. It'll go down across the corner of the mouth, and it'll roll. There's a little bit of thickness there, so I can kind of smooth that off. And just put it onto the face, like that, and then roll it into the sides of the head. Now, you've got that material. I've made it extra on purpose, okay? I want that material there because the sides of the head are thinner, so I'm gonna carve that away. Okay, I carved that right away. And then right on the inside of the eye, I'm just gonna nick this part away too. So now I have it, it's gonna look like that, okay?
Yeah.
So now that I've got that established, I'm just gonna smooth it into the head. Don't smooth it too much into the this crease of your face, because this, in old people, well, look at me.
Don't look at me.
This, it's called the nasal furrow. It goes from the wing of your nose all the way, and really old people, it goes all the way down to your chin. And it's quite a deep crease. The younger you are, the tighter that is, you know, and young people don't have that. But older people, you would really, so you don't want to smooth that in too much. A little bit, but not, don't go crazy with it.
And he gives a lot of character.
Yes, it gives a lot of character. You can always add it back, but I'm just saying, why add it back when it's already there, you know? So we're just gonna put that on, and then we're gonna do the other side exactly the same way.